What are we picking up for tomorrow? Well, beautiful. Good morning, happy Friday. 2 days to go till our event, and if you couldn't tell already, I am absolutely buzzing, and it is such a nice feeling. We have been planning this event essentially since October. That's when the first idea came to mind. It's finally coming to fruition, and I don't feel nervous whatsoever. Reason being, we have put all the tools in place for this to be the perfect Type A planned event to the max, and I cannot wait to see what the girls get out of it. Already we've had the pre-form going, and the things that the girls said they're looking forward to is exactly the whole vision of the event. I'm going to document this journey because these are the kind of moments that we miss. We are so caught up in this life with going on to the next thing, with the relief of doing the thing but not actually appreciating how far we've come. And I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that anymore. We're not doing that. You're not doing it. So we're going to be here. Be here with me. I've just been for a sunrise as usual, and then I'm heading to the gym for my client PT, and then I'll do some work at the library, and then I will come back to my Muay Thai session, which I do every Friday. Well, I do it 3 times a week, but I always do the Friday lunchtime session as a bit of a treat going into the weekend. Currently making my breakfast, which is the same every day. It's either a hot crisp bun or an English muffin, 3 eggs, and then I usually have an apple as well. Now this is the part that you don't see. I spent most of my Saturday prepping myself. Prepping is not just about the food, the outfits, the actual event planning. It's about getting yourself in the right headspace, in the right mindset to lead, and most importantly, to actually have the capacity to hold space for others in their transformation. Hey everyone, it's the night before my event, and what in the allergic reaction is this? I don't know what is going on, but something's going on this past week, so. Then finally, his flight got in, and we started getting things together. We had tables to collect, we had a food shop to do, so it was all hands on deck. What are we picking up for tomorrow?
Some lollies.
Lollies or sweets?
Lollies.
Doesn't look very fitness coded right now. This is our usual dessert.
Yes. So we've got our desserts, we've got some fruit.
For our platter.
Yes. And what do we want to do? Just 2 of these, or do you want
Yeah,
another one?
one for you, one for me.
Yeah. Let's go.
We're done.
Dinner is served.
Dinner is served.
Delicious.
I feel like this kitchen is just not aesthetic. Making grape wraps as our feed.
Yummy.
The night before was spent getting our goodie bags ready. When we finally got home, we fueled up and we prepped everything that we needed. And here's a little sneak peek. We were so happy with how they turned out.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Tell me when.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god!
I haven't even predicted it yet.
Oh my gosh! That's insane! Oh my gosh, it's like life size.
Dude, that is so
Life size Kaylee.
literally.
Oh.
Like we're seeing it on our phones, but seeing it blown up is just like, oh my god.
So oiled up.
Beautiful.
Oh, so good.
Oh my gosh.
Good morning. Today's the day. Event time. It is currently just gone 6, and I'm going to start curling my hair ready for the day. So you can sit like this. We're gonna have a slow morning before our event, which is at 10. So working the clock back in a nice type A manner. I'm gonna bring you along with you. We're gonna bring you along with us. How are we feeling? Good. Right, we've got our coffees ready to go.
With coconut syrup.
This is how we set up for an event.
Yeah, I haven't had this before, so I'm keen to see
Alright, let's
how that
do
goes.
this.
Oh, that's sticky.
I know. Makeup is on, and we're gonna put my outfit on. The post in the back. And take my hair out. Okay, we're loaded up. It's happening.
No, Jinx, it's happening.
We're ready to go, and this is the level of detail that was unplanned that we went into.
I'm matching her and she's matching me without even realizing.
And we've got how long to go?
16 minutes.
16 minutes. We're going to be early. The back is all loaded up, and we are ready to go. I'm excited. This is
Our breakfast.
breakfast when you plan to have
Pinnacle
eggs,
of health.
but it just ends up being hot crust buns.
You know, it's on brand, but it's on
Yeah,
brand.
always.
Always on brand.
I'm in my belly shining bright, diamonds dancing in the night, Ferrari parked under moonlight, living fast but feeling right. My bed wave, champagne rain, golden order, no more pain. Every second ultra prime, luxury written in time.
When people try and shift their mindset, the first thing that comes to mind is, let's just think positive thoughts. It's actually thinking about acknowledging what's going on, tackle problems on a deeper level, on a subconscious level, and that's what we're going to do today. We're actually going to go into your subconscious, and you're going to do that yourself. So much stronger in yourself, so much more clarity, and you feel empowered to move forwards with everything you've learned today, with the tips, and just to step into that version of you that you're going to be. Just one more. The post-event fishbowl.
Needed.
How we feel? Oh, I should have got some of that.
What, of this?
Yeah, the
I
pink
wanted-
stuff. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling like now I feel tired, but I feel really like happy and feel fulfilled and proud.
Good. Good. Proud. Love that. Good.
And how are you feeling?
Right now, my brain feels a little bit tired, but I think I'm just absorbing it all. I feel good. I feel like it went exactly how we planned it. And there's always that little post-event, like, what's next? But now we just get to enjoy it, enjoy our fishbowl, and yeah, have a look at all the content later. I'm excited.
Yeah.
Feel good. Proud of
Beautiful.
Alrighty then. It's like before and after. Okay, we are done. We are done. And I am back home. Kaylee's just dropped me off. We just had a fishbowl on the beach. And I would love to tell you that I feel absolutely amazing, but quite frankly, I feel absolutely shattered. That was such a fun day and feeling so grateful for the way that the day ran. It went exactly as we intended. The whole goal of the day was to create a silent fire in the girls, to expand their minds and to use the different energies that you can bring to the room to do that. So one, getting them through a really upbeat training session, expanding their minds when it comes to exercise execution, tempo, intention, everything when it comes to training to level up from there. And then what we did is we brought the energy from this uplifting space to down a little bit to allow them to go inward. So this is where we brought in a lot of my NLP. So we were guiding them through journaling, bringing journaling to girls who had never used it before or weren't aware how to. And it was actually amazing to watch the girls absolutely writing away with the questions and the prompts that I took to them. And then we took the energy to a different space where we had Chloe hosting the breathwork, and I've never been on that side of breathwork. And oh my gosh, when I tell you I was sat there like this, it felt like I was watching magic in action. Chloe was bringing the girls like this, and obviously I felt the impact as somebody going to a breathwork session, but actually being on the other side and watching her facilitate it was absolutely insane. And I think Kay and I felt exactly the same there. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna take this afternoon now to decompress. We literally ate nothing but a hot crust bun until the event and then nibbled on a little bit, but we've just had a fishbowl to get some nutrients back in us. And I popped my PJ bottoms on. I'm going to take my makeup off, have a little bit of a mini Sunday reset and just chill. I think we need it. It's been such a long week with so many other things business wise and event planning. Obviously that was a key focus this week, so next week's going to be a little bit slower. I have planned for the weekend to take myself, I'm house sitting for somebody, but it's at a farm up the coast in New South Wales for, I'm calling it my enforced writing retreat. So maybe I'll vlog then, maybe I won't, but for now it's been a beautiful weekend. I'm very proud of us and hope you enjoyed this video.